Yeah, hi Spencer, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you. Basically, yeah, the one that you put in was not the correct laser anyway. Lucky enough you never broke any bits in there. But yeah, it's all working now for you. I'm just, well, I'll put it on in a second. So yeah, basically, I've checked the micro switch. I've cleaned all your cogs for you, which is, you know, they're pretty much pristine condition anyway. It's very, very clean condition in there. So I've given it a quick check. I've checked the board as well, and it's all perfect. You know, so this should last you, you know, hopefully another 6, 10 years, 12 years, without any problems. But you know, you've always got our 6-month warranty on the laser anyway. So you know, if anything happens within that time, all we ever ask for is the postage. But yeah, okay, let me fire it up for you. You can see it all working. I'll turn the music up for you in a second. Let's turn it up. So you can see it all spinning up and working as it should be. So it's been on test, so you shouldn't see any issues with this when you get it back. So thank you ever so much for your business, Spencer. I do appreciate it, and if there's anything else that we can do for you, we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you ever so much. Kind regards, Mark.